Are you thinking, now that we're empty nesters, is a two-story home really necessary or practical going into our golden years? And what should our next steps be? Hi there, Karie Hall with Homes by Karie. So purchasing a single-story home may check all the boxes and give you some long-term benefits. If you are wondering if there are enough single-story homes available, you'll be glad to know that the number of single-story homes being built today has really risen, improving your odds of finding the perfect home for your changing needs. So what are all the benefits of buying a single-story home? And why are they so popular with the older generation? One, they are much more energy efficient, meaning easier to heat and cool than a two-story home. They are easier to maintain. Generally, cleaning requires less effort. No more climbing on ladders to clean those high windows. And they hold their resale value as they are often in higher demand. If you're thinking of downsizing into a single-story home, let's connect so we can find you that perfect home in the area you desire. For a free list of currently on the market single-story homes, click the link below. Answer a few questions and I'll forward you a complete list of homes in your area that fit your search parameters. As always, make it a great day.